Hey, Max. Hi. I got a sword here because my master sword's gone. It vanished. Ever since I came back from the past, it's been gone, so I need to get it back. Oh. Hi. Needless to say, I think it's the end of the hurricane. Yep, I think it's the end of the hurricane. It's pretty cool out here, too. No. No. I think there's a helicopter going above us. Oh, there it is. Wait, no. Come on. Let me have it. Please. Give it. I he jumped it over my foot. No. Hey, no. No. I got it. I'm dizzy, but I got it. Kick the ball as hard as I can. Hey! Can't do that. Are you growling with a ball in your mouth? I'm gonna get on my trampoline. Does it bounce me higher? Nope. Oh yeah, also I should probably mention this. I mentioned it when playing Minecraft the other day, but just for reference, I was playing a Mario mashup, like a Minecraft map. What's Minecraft? Ah. What's Minecraft? Where did he come from? I thought it was over there. But I mentioned this while I was playing a Mario mashup map. But my editor, who adds in music and how do I say this? Like text on the screen. He's actually a character now. It's just future me editing the video. But I made him a character now. He doesn't have any special names since he's just me in the future. Hey. So it's just editor Ethan, I guess. Yeah. You know, for some reason, I find it odd to say my name. Like, if I hear someone else say it, it's fine. But when I say my name, I don't like it. But anyways, I don't know if I'm the only one with that. But yeah. Hi. Oh yeah, Max left scratch marks. I told my editor to you know, put a circle around that. Last time he did that. And I did. So anyways, that'll be all for the video. This video, I basically just came here to say the hurricane's over. I came here to say the hurricane's over. I mean, I think that's kind of obvious. We got blue skies now. And I could see the sun. But that'll be all from me and Max. Hope you enjoyed. And goodbye. Hi. Have you stopped the recording yet? No. When are you gonna end it? Right now.